Notice of right of subrogation. This document serves as a formal legal notice asserting the undersigned's right of subrogation, allowing them to assume the rights and claims of another after satisfying an obligation on their behalf. It outlines the legal basis for subrogation, the required actions for compliance, and the consequences of obstruction or denial. This notice ensures that financial, contractual, or legal claims are lawfully enforced and that any interference results in legal accountability and potential penalties. Your name or organization. Your address. City, state, zip code. Email address. Phone number. Date. 2. Recipient's name or organization. Recipient's address. City, state, zip code. Subject. Formal notice of right of subrogation. Dear, recipient's name. Legal basis for this notice. This letter serves as formal notification that the undersigned asserts their right of subrogation, a legal principle that allows an entity or individual to assume the rights and remedies of another after satisfying a debt, obligation, or claim on their behalf. This right applies under contractual, statutory, and equitable subrogation doctrines and must be honored in accordance with applicable law. 1. Definition of subrogation. Subrogation is the right to step into the legal position of another party to recover claims, payments, or damages. 2. Legal standing for subrogation. The undersigned possesses a valid and enforceable right to seek reimbursement or assume claims that have been satisfied. 3. Presumption of equitable interest. Upon satisfying an obligation on behalf of another, the undersigned automatically acquires legal interest in the matter. 4. Binding effect of subrogation. Any attempts to deny, interfere with, or obstruct this right shall be considered a breach of legal duty. Immediate required actions. 1. Acknowledge the right of subrogation. The recipient must recognize this legal right as a valid claim of interest. 2. Provide a formal accounting of the claim. If any outstanding debts, damages, or obligations exist, the recipient must disclose all relevant information. 3. Cease and desist from any hindrance. Any obstruction, delay, or misrepresentation concerning this subrogation right may result in legal consequences. Legal consequences for noncompliance. Failure to comply with the right of subrogation may result in legal enforcement actions. The undersigned may pursue litigation to enforce their subrogation rights. Financial liability. Any party interfering with or denying this right may be held liable for damages and restitution. Regulatory scrutiny. Noncompliance may result in governmental, judicial, or administrative review. Public and legal accountability. Failure to honor a legitimate subrogation right may lead to reputational damage and legal sanctions. This notice serves as official documentation of the undersigned's right of subrogation. Any refusal, misrepresentation, or attempt to deny this right will be met with full legal recourse and enforcement measures. A response addressing this matter is expected no later than specific date. If further clarification is required, you may contact me at your contact information. Sincerely. Your name. Your position, if applicable. Your organization name, if applicable. Enclosures, list any attached documents,